Ford spent years betting big on trucks, SUVs, and pricey EVs. But for 2027, the Blue Oval may be preparing the lineup reset Americans have been begging for. We're talking a rumored Mustang Raptor with supercharged off-road insanity, a tougher Bronco RTR, a possible Taurus comeback, a revived Ranchero, and a $30,000 electric pickup that could shake the market. Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Some are confirmed, others are strong reports, but together they reveal one thing: Ford may finally be listening. Number 5 starts with the wildest idea of all. Number 5, Mustang Raptor, the wildest muscle car twist yet. Ford's reported Mustang Raptor could be the wildest twist in the 2027 lineup. For decades, Mustang has meant rear-wheel drive muscle, V8 sound, burnouts, and pavement-focused performance. But an off-road version would flip that identity into something completely new. Instead of chasing lap times alone, the Mustang Raptor would target gravel, rough roads, broken pavement, and desert-style driving with all-wheel drive, long travel suspension, Fox Live valve dampers, and an automatic built for hard use. Purists may resist it, but the concept is fascinating. A rumored supercharged V8 near 700 horsepower would keep the Mustang soul alive while adding Raptor toughness, torque, grip, and suspension travel. Practical or not, it would be impossible to ignore. But if the Mustang Raptor is Ford's headline-grabbing shockwave, the next model brings that off-road energy into a far more realistic and trail-ready package. Number 4. Bronco RTR. Factory off-road muscle gets serious. The 2027 Bronco RTR may be one of Ford's most realistic and important off-road moves. The Bronco already has rugged styling, trail-ready hardware, and a loyal enthusiast base, while RTR adds more attitude and capability. Its biggest advantage is factory integration. Instead of buying a Bronco and spending extra on tires, suspension, steering, cooling, and visual upgrades, buyers could get a more complete package from day one. Expected equipment includes a 2.3-liter turbo engine, 10-speed automatic, RTR tuning, reinforced steering, improved cooling, Bilstein shocks, 33-inch all-terrain tires, and available 35-inch tires with Fox dampers. Positioned between the Badlands and Bronco Raptor, it delivers serious trail confidence without maximum pricing. So Ford may be turning up the boost for off-road fans, but its 2027 reset is not only about dirt, rocks, and trail damage. One of its smartest moves could come from bringing back something far more practical. Number 3, Taurus comeback, the practical sedan Ford may need. After years of focusing on trucks, SUVs, crossovers, and the Mustang, Ford's American lineup has lacked one practical piece: a sedan. With fuel costs, insurance, loan payments, and daily expenses rising, that gap suddenly feels important again. The Taurus name still has recognition, and Ford already sells a modern Taurus in other markets with sharper styling, updated technology, efficient engines, and a more refined cabin than the older US model. A new American Taurus has not been confirmed, but the strategy makes sense. Not every buyer wants a tall crossover. A sedan can be easier to park, more efficient, comfortable for commuting, and secure for cargo. It may not be Ford's flashiest 2027 possibility, but it could be one of its smartest everyday moves. So far, we have seen Ford possibly chase shock value, trail capability, and everyday sedan practicality. But the final 2 chapters get even closer to what many buyers are really asking for: useful vehicles that do not feel priced out of reach. Before we rev up the next segment, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support drives us to bring more high-octane content to auto enthusiasts like you. Now, let's crank up the power and move into the small truck idea that could hit American buyers right where demand is hottest. Number 2, Ranchero revival, the small truck fix Americans want. The Ranchero name still carries real Ford heritage, and its simple idea feels fresh again. Car-like road manners with pickup bed utility. The Maverick proved Americans want smaller, efficient trucks, but rising prices have opened space for something even simpler and more affordable. A revived Ranchero could target weekend projects, small businesses, home improvement runs, camping gear, furniture hauling, and light-duty work without forcing buyers into full-size truck costs. It would not need huge towing numbers or a luxury price. The smartest formula would be basic materials, clever packaging, efficient engines, and possibly a hybrid setup for strong fuel economy and punchy low-speed torque. If Ford gets the size and price right, Ranchero could become the honest small truck buyers want. But Ford's small truck answer may not stop with nostalgia. The biggest move could be the one aimed directly at the future of affordability, electrification, and everyday utility. Number 1. $30,000 electric pickup. Ford's biggest 2027 gamble. Ford's affordable electric pickup could be the most important part of its 2027 strategy because it tackles the EV market's biggest problem: price. Electric trucks have plenty of hype, and the F-150 Lightning proved Ford can build real torque and capability. But rising costs pushed many buyers away. Ford's lower-cost plan aims for a mid-size EV pickup starting around $30,000, using smarter packaging, fewer parts, faster assembly, and lithium iron phosphate batteries to control costs. That formula could serve commuters, small businesses, delivery drivers, families, and weekend adventurers who want truck utility without full-size expenses. While the Mustang Raptor and Bronco RTR may grab attention, this affordable EV pickup could win everyday buyers. And that is why all 5 chapters point toward one bigger conclusion. Ford may be trying to rebuild excitement without forgetting the buyers who still need value, practicality, and real-world usefulness. Final verdict: Ford's boldest reset in years. Put all 5 models together, and the bigger message becomes clear. Ford appears to understand that Americans want more than oversized trucks, expensive EVs, and high-dollar trims. They want variety again. They want excitement, utility, efficiency, capability, and value in the same conversation. Not every model is equally confirmed yet, but the direction is hard to ignore. If Ford delivers even most of this lineup correctly, 2027 could become the year the blue oval feels bold, aggressive, and truly connected to buyers again. So what do you think? Which 2027 Ford model would you be most excited to drive? The Mustang Raptor, Bronco RTR, Taurus, Ranchero, or the $30,000 electric pickup? And do you think Ford should focus more on wild performance machines or affordable everyday vehicles? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experiences or opinions. Your insights might just help other auto enthusiasts make their next big decision. If you're all about staying ahead in the world of vehicles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Torque Tribune community for the latest updates and reviews. Ford's 2027 lineup could be more than just another model year update. Click one of the videos on your screen now and keep exploring the future of torque, tech, and trail-ready machines right here on Torque Tribune. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.